Good evening to everyone. So let me give an introduction first. The very first thing I've learned from dear General Dalmas is that if you do have an idea, write it down immediately so that you don't lose track of these great things that come to your mind. So here it goes. This is a short story about the general and a 5-digit number. 10121. The story goes by, let me introduce myself. My name is Neil Alan De Leon, a staff sergeant from the Search and Rescue Unit of the 15th Infantry Division, Army Reserve Command. I was given the privilege to serve with the General on June of 2012 on detailed voluntary service at the National Directorate Service of the National Service Reserve Corps Office of Civil Defense. Together with my wife, also a staff sergeant, Mary Rose Amar, my colleagues at work, Corporal Veron Llagas and Corporal June Palmon, all of us work as his administrative staff at a small back office located at the second floor of the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council building.